And what better time than now to sanitize and disinfect your water bin. So as you can tell, I've taken everything off of the cart, put my plants off to the side, and I have all my supplies ready. For sake of good times use, I want to let you know I've already dumped and cleaned out my old dirty water basin. So right now what this is my basin with the reattached irrigation line, and basically a little bit of hot water, filling that up again with hot. Doesn't have to be scalding, it just needs to be a nice warm water so that the bleach can go through and break down any of the gunk and scum. So with that, you want to reattach your irrigation and then make your way back up to the top, and you'll see how to run the lines. It's just a twisting process so that you can get rapid flow. Run this for about 15-20 minutes and you will start to clean through all of the irrigation. It'll cycle through. Once that's done, and again, we'll mimic this. We'll imagine this has been for 20 minutes. We'll stop the line. And then once we're done with the irrigation, we've turned that off. You'll want to turn off your unit. You'll want to disconnect your irrigation and then dump this bleach water in a safe place. Next, you're going to refill the basin with more hot water. No bleach this time. So you'll refill that basin with hot water. Once again, attach the irrigation line together and turn on the unit. Let that run through again. One more time, no bleach. We're just basically rinsing out traces of bleach. Let that run for another 20 minutes. Once that's done, this water will be fairly clean, but still will have those traces of bleach that have been processed through. So you'll want to dump this water and then refill it with fresh water, attach the irrigation again, and you're ready to go. Pretty simple, easy process. Directions and specifics are on the newsletter, so I hope it's helpful for you. And you can put your pots back on and start growing again with the cleanest and freshest water. Okay, have a good day. Thanks so much.